Can you guess the world's smartest birds? Let's go! Question 1. Which bird can recognize itself in a mirror? Boreal owl, raven, magpie, or pigeon? The answer is magpie. Magpies pass the mirror test, recognizing their own reflections. Question 2. Which bird can remember thousands of hiding places for its food? Clark's nutcracker, acorn woodpecker, crow, or Eurasian blue tit? The answer is Clark's nutcracker. Clark's nutcrackers can remember up to 10,000 different hiding spots for their food. Question 3. Which bird is known for memorizing up to 1,000 human words? Macaw, cockatoo, budgie, or African gray parrot? The answer is African gray parrot. They can learn hundreds of words and even understand some context.
I love you. I love you. Can I have a kiss?